Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is on my 3rd gen 4runner. This is a 1997 4runner 2-wheel drive with 310,000 miles. I initially got it for my daughter, but she ended up not liking it because it was too big, and she was having a hard time driving it around, so I ended up getting her a Miata. BF Goodrich KO2 Baja Champions. These are 265/75/16s with Vision wheels. It's got a rough country lift on it. Thinking about doing a Bilstein on it. PIAA lights, fog lights, ditch lights, and a light bar. This roof rack came with the 4runner when I got it. It's just something from Amazon. It's got Weston side steps, Nerf bars, and pretty much I got the 4runner looking exactly like how I wanted it to look in 1997 when I wanted one. It's got a Gobi ladder, and that was definitely a non-negotiable when I was doing the 4runner. As for the inside, it's got a DS18 subwoofer and a Pioneer radio. Broadway mirror, and of course Razzo pedals. For the engine, I got the spiker hood struts so that it goes up on its own, and then a Scarab off-road hood light. Did the plugs on this one and the coils, NGK spark plug wires, Denso coils, and I don't remember if it was Denso spark plugs or if it was NGK, but I'm gonna put it up on the description when I get it done. Silicone hose, G+. It's got the CS alternator from the Cadillac, the alternator upgrade. Water pump is new, timing belt and all of that stuff was recently done at 295,000 miles. Pretty much got the battery as well when I got everything done. Engine bay is completely clean. My son and I just took it out on a dirt road the other day, and I just cleaned it up, but that's what it looks like. Silicone hoses, changed a bunch of the vacuum lines, and then for brakes I got R1 Concept slotted rotors and pads. There you go. Got some energy suspension bushings for the Swaybar, and then also for the end links. There's the underneath of the 4runner. Those are the rough country springs, and pretty much I love this thing. Oh, also on the engine we did new fuel injectors. Fuel injectors I think were standard from O'Reilly's, and let's see. Let's start it up. Interior is a little bit messy, but you know, it's winter time, extra jackets and stuff like that. Interior is pretty clean for the year of the car. Evolved by Suntech for the ceramic window coating, and there is the radio. Pretty much this is what it sounds like. Yeah, 310,000 miles. I drive it about 6,000 miles a year. And I think it's gonna last me forever at that rate. I don't think I've forgotten anything else on this walk around. I'm gonna have Amazon links on everything that I purchased for this 4runner. Oh, AVS rain guards has lasted one Las Vegas record-breaking summer already without it melting. I got the 300,000 mileage club from Toyota, and that's it. That is my 3rd gen 4runner. 5th wheel on top, matching Vision wheels, with a mud terrain spare tire. But that's my 4runner. Thanks for watching.